Hello and welcome. This is Caravan Salon Dusseldorf Vanestro. It says new. It is new. It's a prototype. It is called Odyssey. It's on a Volkswagen base, as you can tell. It's got a tent in the roof, and let's have a look inside. Odyssey Vanestro 600 S. So what have we got here? It is a quarter circle lounge. This is the only quarter circle lounge that I know of, and this I think does look quite outstanding. We've got a table here to go with it. Maybe that could change the table shape a little bit, but this is a prototype, and so things yet to be changed in it. Obviously the seats with captain's chairs. We've got a small bench or whatever they're called as you come in. Sideboard, there's a good word for it. Kitchen in the corner. We've got the washroom at the back. Let's have a look up here. Now possibly when you're camped you wouldn't want to have the ladder up all the time. Right, tent in the roof, got lighting in the tent, and there's also the possibility of an insulated tent for the winter. Obviously it's going to cost a bit more, but that would be something I think which would be a good idea for most people. This tent, it's got a big window at the front and at the sides. You can see here, keep an eye on what everybody else is doing on the campsite or wherever you happen to be. You can also, during the day, you can get rid of this ladder and put it up there in the tent, or you could put it at the back. There's a special place for it. Let's come to the back. We've got this kitchen here. Here is a display from Arvicon. So what this is to put all your everything happening in the van on one display. So we've got the lights here, we've got the lights in the bathroom. You can check what's happening with the water, electricity, the battery, etc. That's all on there, and there's your Truma as well. Here, this is a relatively standard sink and two induction hobs, electricity. Currently it's a 120 ampere hour lithium ferrous phosphate battery. There's 200 watts of solar on the roof. That can be increased according to necessity and according to what the customer actually decides the customer wants. Next up, we've got a little cubby hole which also goes to the back, so if you leave the back door open you can see what's going on behind you. In here we have got we've got a fridge here which opens up both ways, and I haven't got much in it, have they? Oh, well. And up here we've got storage, and below we've also got storage over there as well. Storage all the way around. That storage up there is quite deep. I'll just show you this one here. It's quite small, but it is a bit storage in there. One never has too little storage, or too much storage I should say, sorry. That's a wardrobe of sorts. It's about the smallest wardrobe I know, but it does have this which comes out, and you could hang your shirts on there, or alternatively you could leave your socks to dry on it. Let's come into here, the rear. We've got here a shower. There you go, and look at this 6-meter van, and it's got this enormous shower inside. In fact, I'm going to come inside the shower. Now normally I don't wash myself with my shoes on, but I'm going to show you. Can't quite see there in the mirror, so I'm going to there, look, you've got a space up above me, and quite a lot of space in here. Also I can turn the light on and off by a touch like that. There you go, turned off. It's quite good. I can still see myself here. I'll turn the thing back on again. And here we've got a small sink. No, we haven't got a small sink, that's me. There's a small sink, and you know, I think that's a really good size actually. It's better than having these sinks that go up and down and things like that. Good small size. And the toilet here. Bear in mind the size of this vehicle. Storage at the back there as well. Right, now let's also notice the airplane lighting in blue. The colour can be changed. You can put it on red if you want as well. Probably some other colours at the same time. I mentioned the storage and the way in. Right, so let's now. Oh, I didn't show you this though, did I? So there you go. Deep drawers in here. Now, as a prototype, this could be changed, and obviously at present you could be whatever the customer wants, the customer could potentially get. There's also storage if you don't want to put the tent, the ladder in the tent. You can put the ladder in the back. There's a space for it. But this is a highly original layout. No one else, as far as I am aware, is doing something like that. There's USBs and 230 volt plugs all around. There's also USB-Cs in here. Here you've got the light switch as you come in, and also there's the step up into the vehicle. Let's come round to the back, and here we can see some of the other equipment. There is your cassette toilet. Pull it out. Up here we've got that cubby hole I mentioned earlier, so you can, if you leave this door open, you can see what's going on. We've also got some more cubby holes in the side here, and the electrics can be found there. That's currently on with a magnet. Probably be better with hinges, but we'll see about that one later. There's room there to actually hold table or chairs behind the vehicle. Let's have a look here at the side. There you go, Vanestro. Discover your Adventure Odyssey 600S, the first of the type, but I'm sure they'll build a few more. Whilst I'm here, I'm just going to take a quick look around the other things they're actually doing. These are manufactured in Poland near Torun, Solitskojawski, and that's the name of the place where they're built. So we've got these Pacific on the Ford Tornado Trend. We've got here another similar type vehicle. You can see the box set up at the back. This one here, got a fridge, you've got a sink, you've got a cooker, you've got the bed in the back. But and this thing here, you look for this, you're looking at 63,500 euros. But for the star of the show, you're looking at around 100. Approximately, it depends on the equipment level which is actually purchased. Here we have another vehicle. Just give you a quick look inside, and this one here with the Tulle, the new Tulle awning that came out this year. In fact, it's not available yet to the public. Okay, so there you have it, the Vanestro Odyssey 6-meter camper van, new, and hope you found that interesting. What do you think of the round lounge? It's not an L-shaped lounge, it's more of a C-shaped lounge. I've got a L-shaped lounge in my Heimer. So write down your opinions below, and so if you're interested, this is the largest site on YouTube for motorhomes and camper vans, and got more than 6,500 films, and I upload every day at 21:15. So if you're subscribed though, you'll know when I'm uploading at different times. Coming to events such as this one here, Caravan Salon Dusseldorf, I upload, do live talks during the day, but their times, in that case, they vary. But the normal time, 21:15 Central European time in the UK, 1 hour earlier. Thanks very much for watching, and all the best from me in Germany.